Hello and welcome to Amazing Phonics, Volume 4. I am the Magician. In this volume, we will learn advanced vowels and silent letters. But first, let's review some words we learned in Volume 3, all about consonant blends and digraphs. What's this word here? Do you remember? Globe! Great job! Let's do another. What's the word? Snail. Fantastic. One more. What's the word? Kick. Okay, great work. You remember words with consonant blends and digraphs. So now you're ready to learn more advanced words. Amazing Phonics, go! Today, we will be learning the R-controlled vowels R and AR and IR. Look at my mouth carefully. R, like in car, car. Let's do it together. R, car, car. Nice job. Look again at my mouth. Like in bird, bird. Now, let's practice it together. Bird, bird. Nice job. Guess the words. Oh, what is it? Car. Yes, very good. What is it? Girl. You're right. Excellent job. Was this okay? Great. AR, car. AR, car. AR, card. AR, card. AR, garden. AR, garden. AR, party. AR, party. Car, card, garden, party. Okay! Now, let's practice these AR words together. What's the word? Car. Very good. I drive a car. What about this word? Card. Very good. Yes, like, is this your card? What about this word? Garden. Yes, this garden is beautiful. One more word. What's the word? Party. Great. Let's have a party. Nice job. Let's learn more. IR, bird. IR, bird. IR, birthday. IR, birthday. IR, girl. I-R, girl. I-R, third. I-R, third. Bird, birthday, girl, third. Okay. Now, let's practice these IR words together. What's this word here? Bird. Yes, it is a bird. What about this word? Birthday. Yes, like today is my birthday. What about this word? Girl. Great. She is a girl. One more word. What's the word? Third. Yes, when we count things, first, second, third. All right, nice job. Let's review. Today, we learned R-controlled vowels. Words with AR. Car, card, garden, party. And we learned words with IR. Bird, birthday, girl, third. Great job today, everyone! I'm very proud of you. Today we learned R-controlled vowels. Remember, R, like in car, and like in bird. So remember these vowels. So have fun learning, and I'll see you next time!